Hello guys, how's your weekend? How's your week start? How's your trading on Monday? I didn't get any opportunities yesterday. The market was kind of slow for me. I don't know if you guys got any opportunities, but today looks lit. Today looks good. I feel like I'm gonna have a great trading week. I wish you the same. So in this video, what you're going to be looking at are some currency pairs, obviously, some indices like Nas100, US30. I have all-time favorite volatility 75 and some commodities like gold. Starting off with the DXY, the US dollar index, right here. I did anticipate this to continue being bearish for the rest of the week, obviously, because it reached this psychological key area in the market and giving us 3 touches on this descending trend line. The week opened, it opened with a gap, and then, not a lot of momentum, did some sort of a V, and then it disappeared and then reopened actually about an hour ago with another gap below here. So anyways, but the way the markets are opening, it's opening with lower and lower gaps. That means the prices are creating higher highs and higher lows. So that means prices will, have a higher chance of continuing to be bearish in this, in this commodity, in this index. So what I'm expecting is to see continuation in this bearish side. And that's all that for this week that I'm expecting is to see the US dollar being bearish, bearish, bearish. If this video is of help so far, give us a quick like. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss out on future content, guys. And share with a few friends that you believe this video will be of help to them. As I was just telling you, man, the week has been consolidating. This was from last week, consolidations. Yesterday was a whole smaller consolidation, so I didn't get any chance to trade it off. However, I'm expecting the US, or just as I just told you, to be bearish. I'm expecting to see the US go bearish. And you can see this bearish mode, it ain't died yet. It hasn't died yet. So I'm expecting a breakout here, and then after that, a sell to the lower side until prices reach somewhere down here. This is Usdchf. So this is what I'm expecting on Usdchf is after that breakout. This is what I'm exactly expecting to see play out on this in currency pair. A break, a retest somewhere around here, and then, a fall on the lower side down here. This is what I'm typically expecting on Usdchf. Okay. By the way, guys, you should always be asking me, like suggesting indices for me to currencies for me to analyze, right? Excuse me. Okay, so this is USDJPY, right? Prices hit this psychological key area again in the market, but you see a lot of consolidations, not that of much of a momentum move. So I'm actually watching it. If it breaks above it, then we'll go bullish. If it gives us a bearish move, a good bearish move, then I'll be looking to capture it and take maybe approximately until prices maybe hit this first target around 200, 300 pips. So this is my first impulse move that I'll be expecting to capture perhaps these 300 first impulse moves before we actually get a good bearish confirmation to keep on going short. But as for now, I'm watching this pair to see if prices will break above here, although my bias is actually bearish. Euro USD, okay, we just took this buy. We just took this buy with my people in the VIP. The reason we took this buy was because if you look in the 1 hour, first off, if you just look at the 4 hour, you can see that shift in momentum. It's insane. Prices just broke above this descending trend line. It was a consolidation for a while, but now this is a solid bullish kick in momentum, right? Very solid. You can see now we're in profits. We just took the trade about a couple of minutes ago. And right now we're already in deep. I can say deep, but we're profits, about 10 pips. If prices do retrace, maybe I'll expect them to retrace to until here, until this most recent, you know, high before we keep on going higher. But I wanted to make it a safe trade, so I kept my stop at the most previous swing low. If prices give us another swing high, and we'll be going break even and moving our stops to the most previous swing. But as of now, I'm aiming for prices to reach at around 1.078. That's about 220 pips from there. So that's my target. Hope it plays out well. Hope it plays out well. Okay, moving on. So we got Nas100. Nas100 prices broke above this thing here. Like, I'm obviously bullish biased in this thing. Prices broke above this descending trend line, and I was actually expecting for a long time to see prices push from when it came here. So currently I'm just waiting for a little bit of retracement, because if I take the trade now, I'll be chasing the trade. But however, I'm very much positive that prices will keep on pushing higher until they reach all the way somewhere around here as my first targets. So this, for Nas100, I use the same strategy I use in PA. There's no Nas100 strategy. Everybody got their own thing going. So don't fall for the traps, guys. It's all the same. It's all the same. This is gold. Same strategy. Price action, that's what we do. Pure price action. Prices are right now here on this area, this market structure. As I'm expecting to see the US dollar fall, then I'll be expecting to see gold rise, obviously, with our first targets there. And if prices break above this, then we'll be looking to even go higher. If prices break above here, then we'll be looking to even go higher, somewhere around here, or possibly all the way at our all-time high. So that's my bias on gold. As you can see, yesterday prices closed with a doji, indicating a lack of momentum after the bearish run. So today I'll be expecting to see some bulls kicking in, Let's see how it plays out. US30 prices have broken above. If you look at the 1 hour, prices have broken above this, you know, market structure, this resistance zone here. Didn't give us quite a good retest, and now prices are, I'm looking, as you can see here, we don't have any resistance. So I'm looking to see prices reach all the way until up here. This, I just placed this. I didn't call this trade here. I just placed it here to see the risk to reward. It was a good risk to reward, but then it didn't give me a solid retest, so I didn't take the trade, and it might even continue going higher. But hey, I got a better trade on Euro USD, so I was like, what the hell, I'm not going to take this trade. I'm gonna take the Euro USD. So it's always about, you know, prioritizing which trades are better than which ones. So it was either this or Euro USD. Euro USD was better. It had better risk to rewards. It had better setup. So I took that one instead of this one. So yeah. But if it does come back here and give me a solid retest here and a good confirmation, I'm gonna be taking the trade. US30. GJ, what up? What up? What up? Gbpjpy. Price action, pure price action, nothing but the best. Okay, let's switch to 4 hours. 1 hour is too much. See this move right here? Right now, prices have broken above this. Prices have broken above this previous high, right? If prices close above this previous high, then that's a wrap. We'll be looking to see prices push until they reach all the way up here. So that's my bias on GJ. And with GJ, rarely do they retest. So keep your eyes open. If you get a good entry, take your trade until here. As you can see, we have less traffic on the left side. So that's all about Gbpjpy. Should we talk about US oil? Okay, prices broke up below this market structure, consolidated the whole of yesterday. What I'm currently anticipating is if prices give me a retest here, I'll be looking to go short until the next market structure, which is somewhere here. That's what I'm expecting on US oil, WTI. price action strategy, the best works and everything. So now we're back on the US dollar. As you can see, the bears are kicking in. So I'll be expecting bulls on quote currencies that have the US, and bearish moves on the currencies that have the base as the US dollar. So that's what I'm expecting on this week on currencies. Let's look at volatility 75, our all-time favorite. What's popping out here? Okay, we have on the daily. Yesterday bears were crazy. Yesterday's bears were crazy. So from the last time we talked, we had a good entry, we had a good trade on this. Didn't get another good trade for the rest of the week, but then we did capture about 6,000 pips on Sunday. So hey, so now here we see prices are dancing in between here. The thing with volatility 75 is that after a rally, it consolidates. So we see here we had a bearish rally, and now I think it's consolidating, right? So as you can see, yesterday closed with a very strong bearish move. What I'm currently anticipating is that if prices actually manage to break below this current resistance, this current market structure that's holding, this one right here, then we will be looking to see volatility 75 give us a bearish move all the way until down here. But then if we get a good solid bullish candle at about here, then obviously we'll be looking to see prices come until all the way up here. So that's my anticipation of volatility 75. If this video has been of help to you guys, smash that like. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share with a friend that you believe the video will be of help to them. Till next time, guys, I'll be dropping a tutorial video this midweek, so don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss out. Till next time, guys, this was Black. Peace and love. Have a great trading week.